I took a deliberate effort to participate in this wonderful and amazing series of talks simply because I believe there are very many young people who are looking up to me, and I feel like there is a noble cause I'm supposed to put on my nation in terms of health, in terms of information dissemination, and I do not take any opportunity granted to me for a joke, because I believe this information recorded here can turn someone's life around for positivity. And I believe if those people get an opportunity to receive this correct information from me, probably they look up to me, their lives can change for better. And in doing that, I am adding to my nation and I'm serving my country.
Sexual, reproductive, and adolescent health is one of the things that I have always been passionate about. So when there is this opportunity whereby I can be able to tackle issues related to teenage pregnancies, issues related to family planning, I was so passionate, and those are things that I'm passionate about. And I said, oh yes, this is a very good opportunity. Being able to inform the community, being able to inform the teenagers about actually the prevention of teenage pregnancy, about the use of postpartum family planning, and about the use of having children by choice and not by chance. So I am passionate about sexual, reproductive, and adolescent health. I'm passionate about family planning, and I'm a champion of family planning.
I shared my story because I know someone out there will listen and hear that the reason for everything to happen for the conservation of the environment, they must be backed up by the stronger health sector. Therefore, it is imperative for the nexus to be brought at the fore for the conservation of the environment and improved health outcomes. And that can lead to sustainable development goals, but also improved lives of the communities we serve. So someone must listen.